Good morning, guys, and happy Vlogtober day 6. Hi guys, happy Vlogtober day 6. If you're wondering, I'm feeling a little bit better, but not much. I finally took some off-brand Sudafed this morning. So I did do that. Anyway, I'm on lunch. It's still raining. It stopped a little bit last night and it started back up this morning. It's just cloudy. 64. I hate it. I hate this weather. But anyway, today's my Friday. So after today, we're off for 2 days. So today for lunch, it's a little different than it has been. We're having a turkey and American cheese Lunchable. And I already know that's not going to fill me up, so I brought my box of the Cheez-It Duos, sharp cheddar and Parmesan. Of course, you guys already know we're going to the smoke shop. But after I ended the vlog last night, I ended up editing my YouTube video real quick. Went to bed about 10 o'clock last night. I slept pretty good. I only woke up like twice throughout the night to go to the bathroom. So I got like a total of like 6.5 hours of sleep. Somewhere around there. I woke up like 20 minutes before my alarm went off. It's annoying when that happens. You guys hear the rain? Or do you guys just hear my car? Let's see what tunes are on today.
We care about quality so much that burrito for it being Alex, time run on where we stand up. Styron Studios. I never get lonely. I got these goals to keep me company. I took the risk.
That's what's on the radio. When I get off work today, I have to run something to my friend Sammy. I have to run something out to her. We were gonna I was gonna try to do DoorDash, but I didn't schedule nothing for 1, and for 2, it's raining, and I don't want to get wet. I hate driving in the rain. I'd rather drive in rain though than snow. The snow and ice. I will say that. Of course, my AC's on in my car and it's 64 degrees. This is why I'm sick. But anyway, I just pulled up to the smoke shop, so I'll talk to you guys either when I'm done, after I get my soda, or when I get off work. But that's the only thing I have planned today, is just to run something out to her. Nothing interesting today. Okay guys, it is 2:16. I'm off work. husband because he has to pick up his truck, and obviously he can't get there. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm taking him over there to do that. He also has stuff in the back of my car that belongs to his mom from yesterday that he needs to take out. So I think he's going to do that as well. And then I'm going to go over to my friend's probably and take her this this thing she needs. And I finally got my friend's Halloween shirt, so I need to return that as well. So yeah, just fun things over here. I'm just exhausted. I'm glad I'm off the next 2 days. We're possibly having another movie night tomorrow night. Unsure. I'll let you guys know, because the day you guys see this, it'll be the actual day I'll be doing it, so we'll see. But anyway, I'm just gonna head home. We might eat lunch too. I think he said something about pizza. Maybe. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and not in the vlog here, but I'm gonna stop talking, and I'll talk to you guys later.
You too.
Hi guys. Okay, so I'm currently heading to my friend's house. It's like 6:13. I ended up going home, taking my husband to go get his truck, and then went home. As you guys seen, I was eating pizza and watching Gossip Girl, and I ended up taking like an hour nap. Probably the worst decision I'd made. Because now I just feel like super groggy feeling. I'm freezing. It's 72 degrees outside. As you can see, it's not cloudy. It's not raining or anything. So, yeah. I'm probably just freezing, honestly, though, because we have 3 fans going and plus our little AC unit, and it was set on like 64, and I didn't have a blanket or anything, so like I had socks on, like I still have my work clothes on, and I just laid at the foot of the bed, and like my feet are even cold, so I don't know, but I just want to say hey, I'm heading off to her house. I have a water. I was debating on taking medicine before I left, but I didn't do that. So, I should have probably. I already had like 3 coughing fits, so it's great. My hair is a hot freaking mess. I slept on this side. Excuse me. So anyway, I just wanted to update you guys. My husband was leaving, about to leave anyway, to go put up a camera or whatever for his boss's antique shop. And then, I don't know, we're having pork loin for dinner, so we were letting that frost out. Defrost. Anyway, I'll just talk to you guys. Wow. Hi guys, it's 11:34 now. I ended up hanging out with my friend for a couple hours. Sammy, I know you're watching this, but anyway, took her to McDonald's so she can get her and her fiance some food, and then we just hung out at her house for a little bit, and then took him to work, And then we did DoorDash. Only made like $8.25 in like an hour. So that wasn't the best. And we stopped at Casey's and she picked these up and I got the rest. But the Dots homestyle pretzels, honey mustard seasoned honey meat pretzels, super good. Definitely recommend. I hate honey mustard, but these are actually really good. And she bought me a soda, so thank you. Yeah, came home, took the dog out to go to the bathroom, and now I'm going to take a shower, then edit, because I told her I was gonna stay up all night with her. Shower, and I'll just update you guys then. I have a really bad headache, just like right here. I'm coughing so freaking much. So yeah. Okay guys, it is now 12:16 a.m. I feel like absolute dog doo-doo. So we're gonna take some medicine. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I feel like absolute dog trash. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys made it this far into the video, comment a leaf emoji, like the leaves. Comment one of those.
Lick the moons, catch them stars in the night. Every superpower